आई थिंक ये जो आपने वो डायलॉग की डिलीवरी की स्पीड वाली जो बात कही है, there was a thought to it, and that is why we did it the way we did. You know, the reason was that that he is somebody who's very very intelligent, so he creates things, he is the creator. So वो छोटे छोटे गैजेट्स बनाता रहता है, कोई चीज़ बनाता रहता है. ये जो लॉज ऑफ फिजिक्स हैं उनके बारे में आई एम श्योर ही वुड बी समबडी हु इज़ रेड इट अ लॉट. तो कोई भी बात बोलने से पहले और उसको साइंटिफिक ढंग से बोलने से पहले ही डजंट पुट हिज हेड इनटू इट. तो वो ऐसी वो उसके मैकेनिज्म में उसके सिस्टम के अंदर उस तरीके से वो चीज़ जो है गड़ी हुई है दैट ही डजंट हैव टू थिंक, he just goes extempore, and he can connect anything to a quantum physics concept or a scientific concept and deliver it. So that was the idea of keeping the delivery so fast.
PK, oh my God, यकीनन कंपैरिजन होगा क्योंकि इस तरह की फिल्म में क्योंकि ऐसा होता है जो भगवान की बात करता है, जो बिलीफ की बात करता है. Do you think there will be a comparison? If at all the comparison is happening, do you have to?
You know, whatever is happening and will happen in context to the film, in context to my existence and my life, will always be tilted in my favor. That's what I strongly believe. So if at all any of that is going to happen, it is going to be for the benefit of all of us. I'm glad you asked me this because ये कहना मतलब ये एक क्लीशे हो गया है. जब भी यंगर एक्टर्स जो है सीनियर एक्टर्स के साथ काम करते हैं वो बोलते हैं कि it was a terrific experience. Of course it was, and it was. I'll tell you why it was, because I took back something from him. You know, shooting a film for an artist also is a very difficult process, or shooting even a television show, it's time consuming. You need to be at it throughout. There are those little moments of break that you get, but KKG was somebody who would compromise those few minutes of break also so that we could deliver a good shot. For example, that, you know, whenever we would cut to the close, KK sir was always behind the camera giving us reactions and cues. Even in the scenes he didn't have lines, he would give us reactions from behind the camera. So, you know, this is what comes when you're working with seniority and experience of that level. You only take something back.
विवाद भी होंगे, आप उनसे बच नहीं सकते because you are from the industry, because you are from Bollywood. कोई भी पॉलिटिकल पार्टी या कोई भी संगठन उसको कहेगा कि हमें ये चीज़ पसंद नहीं है.
जी. A conversation is always, you know, two-sided. People will have their opinions, and we will respect all opinions. But we will also protect our opinion, you know. So, with due respect, and also, of course, the concept that we have chosen, you know, it has its share of sensitivity. But the important thing is when you're dealing with something sensitive, you have to deal with it like you're dealing with something sensitive, very, very sensitively. So we've kept all of those things in mind, and we've kept all of those things. And, you know, now the trailer is out. When they see the film, they will know that it is only going to raise respect. And, you know, the idea is only to give respect and get respect. So.
Last one, are you in process to do a single lead film? Where you play solo?
Keep your fingers crossed.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you all.